All right, traders. It's Teamwitherving. I'm back here giving you our weekly Forex analysis for the week of November 23rd to the 27th, 2020. So we are trading our multiple time frame system. Find us on all the social media if you want as Teamwitherving. So we are trading our weekly Forex analysis. Let me go ahead and start and give you everything straightforward. What it is, nothing, no magic, nothing like that, because we don't care about magic. But let me go ahead and give you the Forex disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and what? And hundreds of pips. That's what we're here for. That's it. That's simple. Let me go ahead also type something like I did yesterday on our pre-week analysis. Make sure you watch that. So nobody can be asking me, Irving, what kind of system are you trading? So let me put something here. So we are trading our multiple time frame system. Right? Link is below. Or you can find us on our website www.tweforex.com. Boom. You can find us in there. It's in there. So it's not like getting to. And guys, pay attention to the website. The website has the market news. It help you a lot. It will help you a lot. Or just go and click on the link. Boom. And we'll take you exactly what you want to know. All right. So here's the first pair for Euro GBP, guys. This is what I have for this pair. In my opinion, this pair here is going to give us a sell position coming in, retesting our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci. Then the market will take back up as a bullish, and then boom, it will continue as bearish. Because remember, Euro GBP is doing a sell. Unless, pay close attention. Let me go ahead and bring this up right now. So right now we're getting an amazing buy here. Everything is forming. So if November pop in, we may see a bullish market, but I don't see it yet. So I cannot be assuming and say, oh yeah, it's gonna be bullish. I don't see it. That's what I'm saying. Market may come back and drop a little bit more and then continue back up and boom, it will drop. But that's what I see. Let me know in the comment below if you do see something else. Because it's important for me to understand what's in your mind so we all can trade equally. All right. So, all right. So let me go ahead and take this off and move on to the next pair. The next pair that I have here is USD Peso. USD Peso looks great, guys. This is what I'm looking on Euro GBP. I'm looking for this drop here. Boom. And then boom. Market will be in a buy position. So yes, I'm looking, to be honest, USD Peso is looking great as a bullish market, guys. It's looking amazingly. Look, this is me coming into the level 23 Fibonacci line. From there, market will do a small PV and then continue in a buy position. Or I can say next week on Monday, market is going to be bullish. I'm not saying 100%. Oh yeah, it's going to be bullish. Go enter, because this is not signal. This is for educational purpose. But I'm seeing an amazing bullish positioning here. I'm trading with rules, and rules don't lie. You got it. Rules don't lie. So here it is. It also can be a bullish market. Well, we're gonna start seeing a lot of great master trend this coming week, guys. Please pay close attention to the market. It's gonna give you a lot of new setup, so just want you to be aware of it. All right, so this is it. And guys, please, if you are watching us for the first time and you want to come and join us, don't join the multiple time frame system yet. Come and join our Gold membership. learn what we have in here, and then if you want to move on and grab the system, here it is. You can go ahead and do it with confidence, but I want you to join the Go membership, enjoy it, and then get ready. All right, because this is the right thing to do. All right, let's move on to Gbp Usd. Pay attention what Gbp Usd is doing, guys. Gbp Usd is ready to drop. Pay close attention what our multiple time frame is letting us know here. This is the boss here letting us know, Irvin, we are coming in a sell. Look at this guy. Real time. Boom. The week close in the negative. Basically, it will be dropping. So all I can say in this week, remember this is not signal, but all I can say, market will be retesting our 78 to our 61.8 Fibonacci line. From there, market will do a small reversal, then will boom, will be dropping. Drop like it's hot. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. That is exactly what I think, and based on my analysis, the market will be doing. I may be wrong, but hey, I'm coming back on Wednesday. Remember, guys, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is the only days that we are gonna be trading the market, because Thursday and Friday is a holiday here in USA, so the market will be acting very, very slow. Even though all those 3 trading days can be very slow as well. So in my opinion, you should learn scalping the market the month of December, January, and February. Learn how to scalp the market. Check the website. I had the strategy in there as well. But it's up to you. Do you want to learn or not? Stop watching for fun. Take action. All right, let's move on to gold, silver. This is silver, guys. I think silver is in a great, amazing sell position in here. Market is showing us that in a reversal, right? I'm sorry, in a buy position. You're seeing it, so it's not like you're not seeing it. So all I can say is market is gonna drop a little bit, making the buy position stronger. It will come back, and then boom, market will take up back up, and then we'll continue as bear. Because overall, silver, it is selling. Look at this drop here. Boom. I remember when I called this. I remember when I called this buy position. I remember when I called this drop here. Now I'm calling another drop. Are you ready for it? That is the question you need to ask yourself. Do you have rules? Do you trade with rules? If not, stop chasing one location to another location and master one damn thing. Remember, trading is not easy. If you don't trade with rules, you will never understand. All right, so that's what I want to know. I'll let you know. Discipline will make you very, very dangerous in business, life, relationship, anything you want, because that is the law of life. All right, let's go ahead, guys. Let's go ahead and keep moving, because I'm super excited here. Bump up, boom. Trying to make you an amazing day trading. Let's go ahead and check Euro AUD. Pay close attention what Euro AUD is doing. What is our brothers and sisters doing? Real time, because that's all I care. I don't care about what happens in the past. Real time right now is letting us know, Irvin, we are in a buy position, right? So right now we're doing a small PV. In my opinion, this PV is coming to a game over. That's it. Look at this. All these touches in here. Boom, 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 boom. So that's what I'm saying. From this area here, market is going to do what? Boom! Market will be in a buy position. Then we'll continue as a bearish. Because remember, we are doing a pullback. Do not get fooled. We are doing a pullback. Pullback equal buy business. Because you should be looking only for sell. Sell. All right. Comment below, guys, if you guys have any question. I'm gonna be heading to Georgia, most likely later on this evening, just for a couple hours, and then I will be coming back on Monday. I just gotta go do something in there We gotta go check some real estate that we about to buy some properties in there. So yeah, so we're gonna fly there, enjoy our time with our family, and then come back to business. Make more money on Monday, trading Forex, multiple time frame system. That is the direction of the money. Multiple time frame, it is the direction of the money. All right, let's go ahead and do our next pair. The next pair is USD Jpy. Pay close attention what USD Jpy is doing. Bingo, I told you. Now, pay close attention what our system is letting us know. This pair here has been acting very weak all week. Look at that. It's going sideways. It's not doing anything. Overall, yes, it's in a sell position. But right now, it's letting us know, Irvin, we are getting ready to be in a buy position. What are you going to do? That is the question you need to ask yourself. What are you going to do? Well, this is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing in a buy position. Boom. Market will come back and retest the 50 Fibonacci line. Do a small tiny PV. Then continue its direction to a buy market. What is your opinion, guys? You here with me live. It's not like you're not here. Anyway, we're coming back on Wednesday to reanalyze the market. So we're going to come back on Tuesday as well with the team, and we're going to talk about pairs and so on. Or we can do our midweek analysis, basically our follow-up of today's video and yesterday, Saturday, and see what you guys think about it. Because to be honest, this week we are trading only 3 days. That's it. We're not trading more than that. It's game over. All right, so pay attention, guys, to the video that I did yesterday, Saturday. Let me go ahead and kind of like show you what I did so you can go back. I dropped AUD USD. I told you market was going to be in a sell. Euro USD, I told you it was going to be in a sell. NCD Canadian, I told you it's going to be in a sell. Gold is going to be in a sell. Hey, market seems like it's all selling. Selling. We are going to be getting brand new master trend this December, guys. Remember, December, it's going to be a very slow month. I'm telling you in advance, do not get fooled because it will hurt you. Remember, we are trading the week of 23rd to the 27th. This is our weekly Forex forecast outlook, trading multiple time frame. That is the direction of the money. Thank you guys for coming in once again. Thank you for your support. Let's go. Let's make this money. Let's grab hundreds and hundreds of pips, and I will see you back on Tuesday, because I'm coming back from Georgia on Monday, and then we resume back to business on Tuesday. All right, take care, guys. God bless you, and enjoy your holidays with your loved ones. Hasta la vista. That's all what I have to say. Take care.